Hi children, today you are going to learn 8th class chapter number 9 area of plane figures. So what is meaning of area first? An object occupied place is called area. Suppose what is the area of this board? The place which is occupied by this board is known as the area of this board. What is the area of this wall? The place which is occupied by this wall is known as the area of this wall. So, based on the shape of an object, there are some formulas to find out the areas. There are some objects which are in the shape of square, which are in the shape of some of them objects are which are in the shape of like a rectangle, and some other objects are in the shape of parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus. So some of the objects in the circular shape. So how to find out the areas of those objects and what are the formulas we are going to learn in this exercise. Now what is meaning of plane figure? Plane figure is nothing but a two-dimensional figures. So two-dimensional figures. There will be solid figures which called as a three-dimensional figures, but the plane figures are called two-dimensional figures. Okay, two-dimensional figures like a square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, parallelogram, quadrilaterals. These all are quadrilaterals. So this circle is a two-dimensional figures. About the areas only we are going to be discussed here in this chapter. So in this completely we have two exercises 9.1 and 9.2. On these two exercises we are going to be use some plane figures like a square, rectangle and triangle and some other quadrilaterals, circles also, and we are going to find out the areas of those figures. Now here I will explain you that a 14 to 15 formulas which are very helpful for to do this complete chapter areas of plane figures. So what are the formulas? Let us know it here. Let me tell you the formulas here. First one, the area of square. Area of square. Area square equal to side into side. Area square equal to side into side. That means see, here it is a square. In a square all the sides will be equal in the length. Suppose it is a 5 centimeter and this is a 5 centimeter. What is the area of square then? 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. Centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. While finding area we have to multiply units also. This we can write 25 centimeter square, or not. This also we can write square centimeter. Square centimeter అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు, లేకుంటే centimeter square అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. So this is what. So area square we can find out like this. Then how can we find out the area? Okay, area square is completed now. Let me go for perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. The perimeter of the square is 4 into side. 4 into side. So 4 into side, that means what is the side here? That is, let us find out the perimeter. Perimeter in the sense sum of all the sides are known as the perimeter. But in this chapter we are going to be discuss only areas. Perimeter formulas మనం యూజ్ చేయము. But even though I will tell you this, 4 into side. The side is 5 centimeters. So 4 into side, that is 20 centimeters. The perimeter of this square is 20 centimeters. In this way we can find it. So I will be giving you examples also here along with the formulas. Next we go for area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So suppose let us take one rectangle here. Suppose the length is 6 meters and breadth is 3 meters. The length and breadth of a rectangles are 6 meters and 3 meters respectively. Let us find out the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula L into B. So that is 6 meters into 3 meters. 6 3s are 18. Meter into meter, square meter or meter square. However you can write. Square meters or meter square. Then we go for perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So the twice of the sum of this length and breadth. So 2 into L plus B is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, let us substitute the L value and B value. L value is 6 meters plus B value is 3 meters. That is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3, it is a 9 meters, that is equal to 18 meters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 18 meters. So I am telling you formulas and also the examples for each and every formula. Now next we go for area triangle. From here we get only areas formulas. Area of triangle. The area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. What is a triangle? As you know, a simple closed figure which is bounded by 3 line segment, it is known as a triangle. Suppose here it is a ABC is a triangle and this is height of the triangle H. So it will be a base. Suppose the base equal to here 10 centimeter and height equal to 6 centimeter. Let us find out the area of that triangle now. How can we find out the area of this triangle? By using a formula 1 by 2 into base into height. That is 1 by 2 into base is 10 centimeter into height is 6 centimeter. Now we can cancel 2 ones are 2 5s are. Else 5 centimeter into 6 centimeter. That is 5 6 are 30 centimeter into centimeter square. Now the area of triangle is 30 centimeter square. Now we go for area parallelogram. Next formula is area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Area parallelogram formula base into height. Base into height. Let us take one parallelogram. As we know, a parallelogram is a simple closed figure bounded by 4 line segments having opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, suppose this is a parallelogram. In this, let us take here from this we will take a height of the parallelogram. How to count the height of the parallelogram? This is a height of the parallelogram. That is the maximum height of the parallelogram. This is the height. The perpendicular line is a height. The perpendicular side is known as a base. So this is the base. Suppose the base is 12 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Let us find out the area of this parallelogram now. How to find out the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Base into height. The base is 12 centimeter into height is 4 centimeter. 12 4s are 48 centimeter into centimeter square. So the area parallelogram formula is base into height, and we know that how to find out the area of the parallelogram also by using base into height formula. Now next one, area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus formula half of the product of its diagonals d1 into d2. Okay, half of the product of its diagonals, half sagam diagonals యొక్క product. Diagonals యొక్క products ని half చేస్తే మనకు area of rhombus వస్తుంది. So let us go for, we know that what will be the shape of rhombus. Okay, suppose this is a rhombus now. Let us give it. It is a A, B, C, D. the ABCD is a rhombus. We know that this is a diagonal 1. This is a D1. Suppose we will give us this name is a D1, diagonal 1, and this is a diagonal 2. This is a D2. So here D1 and D2 are given. So let us know that the D1 is suppose 40 centimeter and D2 is suppose 30 centimeters. Okay, the D1 is 40 centimeter and D2 is 30 centimeter. Now let us find out the area of this rhombus. Area of rhombus formula 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. That is 1 by 2 into D1 is 40 centimeter into D2 is 30 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Then left over is 20 centimeter into 30 centimeter. 20 into 30, that is 600 centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. The area of the particular rhombus is 600 centimeter square. Now next we go for area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral, 8th one. Area of a quadrilateral equal to, area of quadrilateral equal to 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2. Half of the product of diagonal and sum of its perpendicular heights. So let us go for one quadrilateral. Let us write here any quadrilateral. Let us go for the any quadrilateral here. Let me take this is a quadrilateral. Suppose in this quadrilateral definitely will be having one diagonal. Actually we get in every quadrilateral there will be two diagonals. Let us take one of the diagonal. It is a D. Suppose this D diagonal D equal to suppose 5 meters. The diagonal D equal to suppose 5 meters. Then let us take two more heights also we have to take. What are the heights? From the other two ends of vertices. Already two vertices are engaged with the diagonal. The other two diagonals from the B and D. Let us draw the two more diagonals. Two more perpendicular lines. Two more perpendicular lines will draw it lines. This is H1 and this is known as a H2. The H1 equal to suppose the H1 equal to 3 meters and H2 equal to suppose 4 meters. Let us find out what is the area of that quadrilateral now. Area of this quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral formula is 1 by 2 into diagonal D into the sum of these perpendicular heights. The sum of its perpendicular heights H1 plus H2. That is equal to 1 by 2 into D, it is a 5 meters into H1 plus H2 3 meters plus 4 meters. That is 1 by 2 into 5 meters into 3 plus 4 is 7 meters. 7 meters. Here 2 ones are 2.5 sir. That means 2.5 meters into 7 meters. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. 17.5 meter into meter square. Now this is the area of the quadrilateral. Next we go for formula number 9. Area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium formula little bit similar to this, but 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So half of the product of height into the sum of its parallel sides. Sum of its parallel sides. So here let's go for that. We take a trapezium. We know the shape of a trapezium already. Yes, this is a trapezium, children. Now let us name of this trapezium like a ABCD. ABCD is a name of the trapezium. Let us assume this side is A and this side is B. Okay. So sum of these parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. These two are parallel sides. No. A trapezium will contain one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is the one pair of opposite sides which are parallel. Let us add this. One of the side let us assume like a, the other one parallel side will assume like a b, and the distance between these two parallel sides, it is known as a height of this trapezium. The distance between these two parallel sides is known as a height of the trapezium h. Now let us know that a equal to suppose it is a 16 centimeter and b equal to suppose 8 centimeter and height equal to, suppose let us take it as a 9 centimeter. Let us find out the area of this trapezium now. The area of trapezium formula is 1 by 2 into height into sum of its parallel sides. This is the formula. Let us find out the area now. 1 by 2 into height, that is 9 centimeter, into sum of its parallel sides, that is 16 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. So here let us go for 1 by 2 into 9 centimeter into 16 plus 8, that is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. Here 2 ones are, 2 12s are. So we got 9 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 12 9s are 108 centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Now this is the area of trapezium. Now we go for the some more formulas, but please do not be sufficient for this. So I am going to write this all formulas. Please copy these all formulas, and please once you practice these problems what I am telling you all, so you can be perfect to be apply these formulas. Then we go for, now the serial number will be 10. So we go for now area of circle. Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square, where pi value we know everyone, the pi equal to 22 by 7, or sometimes we also use 3.14. Yes, 3.14. And here there is a speciality of 3.14. The Pi Day will celebrate on every year of 3rd month of 14th date. March 14th date will also celebrate as a Pi Day. There is a video on the Pi Day in our channel. If you go to the playlist, in the projects, there will be in the playlist, there is a name like a projects. In that projects you can see the project based on this Pi Day. So I will also keep it in the end screen, you can see at last. Okay, now let us find out the area of circle. To find out the area of circle, we know the circle is nothing but a set of infinitive points which are from a fixed distance from a fixed point, that is known as a circle. Now it is a circle having the radius is suppose 4 centimeter. It is a 4 centimeter of a circle. Then we need to find out the area which is occupied by this circle. The formula is, suppose here let me take 14 centimeter. Okay. Now the area of circle formula is pi r square. Pi in the sense we know 22 by 7 into r square. That means here 14 centimeter whole square. 14 centimeter whole square. That means here 22 by 7 into 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. That will be known as 14 centimeter square. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. I will write 2 times because 14 centimeter square no. Instead of writing 196, I will write 2 times. So it is easy to be cancelled like this. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So now the leftover numbers are 22 into 2 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Now 2 into 22, that is 44 into 44 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Yes, here 14 fours are 56. So 5 carry 14 fours are 56 and it is 61. 616 centimeter into centimeter square. Now in this way we can find out the area of circle. Now there will be one more formula based on circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Circumference nothing but a perimeter and kuda anochu. So circumference of circle formula is 2 pi r. So let us find out for the same circle of the radius 14 centimeter. We'll find out the circumference of the circle formula. Circumference of circle is denoted by c. Okay. Then the formula is 2 pi r. Already 2 is a constant, pi is 22 by 7 and r is 14 centimeter from this figure. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now here 2 into 2, that is 4 into 22 centimeter, that is 88 centimeter. 4 into 22, that is 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. So by the every example you can understand that how can we implement this formula in the problems. So where it will be helpful us. And the next formula we are going to be use that the area of ring. Area of a ring, okay, or circular path. The area of ring or it's also known as a circular path. The area of circular path are not area of the ring. So the area of circular path or area of the ring formula is, here I will write, yes, pi of capital R square minus small r square. Pi of capital R square minus small r square. Or else we can also write this formula like this now. Pi of, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write pi into capital R plus small r of capital R minus small r. These are the formulas. Now we can use it to find out the area of the ring. What is the meaning of a ring or not a circular path? Area circular path here. Area circular path. So let me take here an example. Here there is a one inner circle and there is a one outer circle. There is a one inner circle and there is a outer circle. That it is known as the area circular path. Now we have to find out this area of a circle. So suppose this inner circle will be having a radius and it is denoted by small r, and outer circle will be denoted by the capital R. The radius of inner circle and radius of outer circle. Here capital R in the sense radius of outer circle and here small r in the sense radius of inner circle. Suppose radius of inner circle is 2 centimeter and radius of outer circle is suppose 6 centimeter. Now we need to find out the area of this ring. The area of ring formula, now we know that pi of capital R square minus small r square. So pi is 22 by 7 into capital R square, that is 6 centimeter whole square. 6 centimeter whole square minus your small r square is 2 centimeter whole square, that is 22 by 7 into 6 square, that is 36 centimeter square, minus 2, that is 4 centimeter square. 2 square is a 4. So we get here, see, 22 by 7 into 36 minus 4, that is 32 centimeter square. So if pi value, if you use it here, when you cancel, you will get 3.14 only. So instead of using 22 by 7, you can also use 3.14. Now 3.14 into 32 centimeter square. Now let us multiply this 3.14 into 32. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 into 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 3s are 9. 8, 4, 10, 1. It is also a 10. So there are 2 decimal places. So 100.48 centimeter square. So this is the area of the ring. Capital R in the sense the radius of outer circle and small r equal to the radius of inner circle. So remember the capital R is radius of outer circle and the small r in the sense radius of inner circle. You can also use this formula or this formula. Any one formula can be applied. So you get the same answer there. So the next one we go for area of sector. So before going to the area of sector, let us find out the area, length of an arc. Length of an arc. What is meaning of arc? This length of an arc is denoted by L. Length of an arc is denoted by L actually. What is meaning of length of an arc actually? What is the formula? Let me tell you. The formula of length of an arc is x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. L equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. So here what is length of an arc? Let me tell you here. Suppose this is a circle and this is a radius. Yes. So the part on the circumference of circle is known as the arc. Arc అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఏదైనా ఒక పార్ట్ సపోజ్ ఈ పార్ట్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ పైన, ఈ పార్ట్ ని మనము ఆర్క్ అంటాం. దిస్ ఇస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఏ ఆర్క్ యాక్చువల్లీ. yes. So then let us go for yes. Now let us go for this. We'll find out the length of an arc which is bounded by two radii. Two radii here. Suppose it is a O and A B. Now we can find out the length of an arc. This arc. It is depends on the angle subtended. The angle subtended between these two radius. If the angle is increases, the length of arc also will be increases. You see, if angle is increases, then this length of an arc also will be increases. This is L actually. L is nothing but here arc. Length of an arc. Okay, let me do one problem here. Suppose here the radius of this is 6 centimeter and this will be also 6 centimeter because all the radius will be equal in the length, and length of this arc, the angle subtended between these two radius is 60 degrees. ఎంత ఈ రెండు రేడియస్ మధ్య 60 degrees యాంగిల్ ఉంది అనుకుందాం. ఎవ్రీ రేడియస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 centimeter. నౌ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆర్క్. ఈ ఆర్క్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, దీని లెంగ్త్ ఎంత అని చెప్పేసి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ బై యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములా x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. X is nothing but here the angle which is subtended between the two radii, that is 60 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 into pi value. Pi value as we can use as I told 3.14 or 22/7. Here we will go for 3.14 into r value is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now we go for that. Here 10 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. And here 6 and here 6 get cancelled. So what is left now? 2 into 3.14. 2 into 3.14. That is 2 into 3.14. Here 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. The length of an arc is here 6.28 centimeter. Very simple. This angle we have to substitute in the place of x, and the r value we have to take it from the radius, and we have to substitute the x value, r value. That's it. Pi value, however, it is 22/7, r naught 3.14. Yes. Now we go for the final formula. Only one formula is left now. That is area sector. Area of a sector. Area of a sector. So let us find out the area of sector. What is meaning of a sector? A sector is subtended by area. Sector is subtended by two radii and an arc. Two radii and an arc. See what is the area of sector? This is known as a sector. This is known as a sector. This is a minor sector and this is a major sector. Now we have to find out the area of this sector. Area of sector, and here let us find out the same thing. We will do it here 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and here the angle subtended suppose 60 degrees. Now let us find out this area of the sector. Area of sector formula is the x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Pi r square. This is the formula. Here length of an arc. The length of arc is nothing but a circumference of circle, part on the circumference of circle. Arc ante a part on the circumference of circle. So circumference of circle formula 2 pi r. So ఇక్కడ 2 pi r అని రాస్తాం. The arc is related to the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. We will use it. Now area sector. The sector is inside of the circle, nothing but related to the area of the circle. So we use pi r here. Remember, you should not be confused in these two formulas. Now let us substitute that to find out the area sector. that is x degree is nothing but 60 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 3.14 into r value is 6 centimeter, but it's r square, no, we use 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter because it is a r square. Here 60 ones are 66 are, the 6 ones are 6 ones are get cancelled. Now what is left here? 3.14 into here 3.14 into centimeter 6 centimeter square. Then let us multiply. 6 fours are 24, 2 carry, 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8, and point here 6 threes are 18. It is a centimeter square, and this is the area of the sector. Area of the sector. So 18.84 centimeter square. Now here, suppose the same formula we can also use. So when the angle and the radius is given, then the angle subtended between the two radius and one radius is given, we can use this formula. Or else we can also use this formula in a different, there is a one more formula for the same thing, but when length of an arc is given, the length of an arc is given, how to use the formula will tell you. And length of an arc ante ee length of arc ichestadu. Okay, if length of an arc, they are not given an angle here, L value is given and R value is given, then how to find out? R equal to 6 centimeter and L value is given, suppose, how to find out? Okay, then the formula here, see, the formula will be modified like this: x degrees by 360 degrees into, here I will write this pi r square, I will write pi r into r. This pi r square, no, pi r square is r into r, no, so I will write like this: pi r square, pi I will write as it is, r square I will write r into r. Here I will write 2 pi r, here I will write divide by 2. Here I will multiply by 2, here I will divide by 2. If this 2 I get cancelled, I will get the same thing. But if you observe this now, if you observe in this part, x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, the x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, which is equal to length of an arc. So this value is equal to L into here r by 2. Nothing but L into r, LR by 2. Here LR by 2 is also a formula to find out the area of sector. Area sector. Suppose the area sector formula. So suppose length of an arc. Length of an arc, suppose the length of an arc is 14 centimeter. If the radius is suppose 8 centimeter, then find out the area sector. Sector area find out. Area sector we have to find out. See that we cannot use this formula now because x value is not given here. Yes, and only r value is given and L value is given. So this is a suitable formula to find out the area sector. Now let us find out the area sector formula, that is by using LR by 2, where L value is given 14 centimeter and R value is given that 8 centimeter by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are, that is 7 centimeter into 8 centimeter, that is 56 centimeter square. We can also find out the area sector formula when length of an arc and radius is given. So remember the formulas of this 14. If these 14 formulas if you are perfect, then we can do it completely, that area plane figures all the problems of 9.1 and 9.2. Okay, my dear children, just remember this all 14 formulas and practice once with along with the examples, so that you get an idea that how to use these formulas. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.